Hello and welcome to another tutorial in Visual Basic. I haven't done a video for a while because blue screen of death issues in my computer been really annoying. Turned out to be my Wi-Fi driver. So I'm back doing videos now, and this one we're going to make a chat spammer. What it's going to do is constantly send whatever you type in there, in like the text box or whatever, and send it repeatedly until you stop it. So just go ahead, open Visual Basic, make a new project and call it Chat Spammer. Right, we got the form. What we're going to need is two buttons. Two labels. And a timer. Oh, forgot the two text boxes. Right, name button 1, start. Button 2, stop. Make the first text box multi-line if you want to. And then just resize it. And then go on the properties over here. If you do scroll bars, vertical. So like if you want to write a load in the text box, you can. So just resize everything so it looks neatish. Label 1, just do send every. Make another text box, shorten it a little bit, and then in label 2 just type in seconds. Right, send into there. Click on timer, and then set the interval to 1. Because you don't really need it. Click on start, then type in timer1 dot start. Go back, stop, timer1 dot stop. Right. Timer1. Double click on that. And you type in send keys dot send text box 1 dot text, and then send keys dot send open brackets, quotations, open curly brackets, enter, close curly brackets, quotation marks, and bracket. That should be fine. Yep, that's fine. In timer 1, you're going to set the interval before it turns on timer 1. So you type in timer 1 dot interval equals text box 2 dot text times by 1000. So what this is going to do, before the timer starts, it's going to look for the numbers in text box 2. Right, we'll start from the timer. Right, the timer, send keys dot send brackets text box 1 dot text. That means whatever's in text box 1, it'll send those keys. Send keys dot send open curly brackets enter means that it's going to press enter for you when the timer's ticking. Private button 2, that's obviously going to stop the timer for when you want to stop it. Right, timer 1 dot interval equals text box 2 dot text times 1000 means whatever you put in text box 2 for the seconds, like 1 second or 100 seconds, times that by 1000, and then that's how many seconds it'll be sending the text, and then it'll start the timer with timer1.start. So if I get a notepad up, debug this. If you do it every 3 seconds and type in I just made a chat spammer in Visual Basic. Click start and then click on notepad, and every 3 seconds 1, 2, 3. A bit fast I counted, but yeah, you get it, it works. But if you do it every 1 second and click start, it sends every 1 second. If you put 0.001, it'll probably send it really fast. So see, as you can see, it works. So like whatever you type, it's gonna work. So I select all, type how cool is that? So, like whatever you type in there, it's gonna work. Yeah, I'll type it in there. So yeah, you've just made a basic chat spammer. You can use this with whatever you want, like Facebook or something. It's really up to you. So I'm just gonna go over that code once more and what you need. So you get 2 labels, 1 text box for the timer interval. You get 1 text box for what you want to type, 2 buttons, 1 for start and 1 for stop, 1 timer. Go on the code, button 1, timer 1.interval equals text box 2.text times 1000. That times is however many seconds you put in the text box 2 by 1000 to make the seconds. Then it'll start the timer with the code timer.1 start. Button 2, timer1.stop will obviously stop the timer, and the timer 1 send keys.send textbox1.text. That means whatever the content is in textbox 1, the text of it, it will send by the command send keys.send, open brackets, open quotations, curly brackets, enter, close curly brackets, quotations and brackets. And then all you do is debug it and then test it. If it works, great, have fun with it, mess about with it. If it doesn't, review over the code and see what you might have done wrong. It could be some like spelling mistakes or something. This is another tutorial by Do2How in Visual Basic 2010. I hope you enjoyed it.